Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these yummy and amazing mithais that you can make this Holi and impress your guests. These mithais are quick and easy to make and are so delicious. These are milk barfis. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते हैं ऊपर थिवा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First in a kadai take 1 cup of milk powder, 1 cup of milk and half cup of sugar. Mix everything well. Now transfer it onto gas flame. Cook on medium flame and keep mixing. Our mixture has thickened now. Add half teaspoon of vinegar. This gives an amazing texture to our mithai. Keep mixing it. And then add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix till it's separated from the pan. Our barfi mixture is ready now. Cool it down a little. Meanwhile, grease a container with ghee. I am using a rectangular container like so. Transfer the mixture to the container. Level it with spoon or fingers. Finally, I am adding chopped pistachios on top. You can add any dry fruit of your choice. Finally, cool it down or refrigerate for an hour. Then cut into rectangular pieces. And our delicious and easy to make milk barfi is ready now. This is an instant recipe. You can make it anytime you want. This just takes half an hour or so. So you can try it out yourselves this Holi and let me know how it turned out. Happy Holi everyone. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.